Hello mga ka-Garayski! My name is Jan Garay, ang bago ninyong kainisan at kasama sa tawanan dito sa YouTube. Lahat ng mga bagay na nakakatuwa at nakakalungkot, i-share natin yan. Mga ka-Garayski, share ko yan!
Not yet, right? Dapat talaga maybe.
Is made up of all ornaments. So the top represents the banig that the lovers were sitting on, and the skirt represents the ripples on the river where the lovers were sitting by. Well, titled Araw, and this is made with special kinds of fabric weave and powder. So this looks familiar. It's actually because Araw was the designer that our first.
Hello Cassie!
Hi!
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Let's have fun today.
Yes.
Woo.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Hello guys, Jan Garay here. So nandito tayo sa Space One Ayala kung saan manonood tayo ng Vogue Threads. Ayan, and Vogue Talks actually. And pansin nyo walang mga tao ngayon kasi nga ang mga hitad nag-break. Ayan, so nag-break time sila. So tayo dito lang tayo. And also may naman na water here. So ba ang itsura? Double check. Hello guys, maybe you're asking kung ano yung laman ng ating Vogue kit. So ipapakita ko sa inyo isa-isa. Ayan. So, ang pinakalaman nito, ayan. Ito yung Vogue na tote bag. Wow! Ayan. Meron tayo dito, ayan, Evian water. O diba? Para kang laklakera dyan. Sana. So, okay. November issue ng Vogue. Or sa kanilang card. Pad ng Vogue and pen. And lastly, ito yung natuwa ako talaga. Itong kanilang patresemme. Diba? Perfect. This is perfect. Thank you very much, Vogue. Siya. Hello guys, Jan Garay here and marami nagsasabi na ang perfect daw ng outfit natin. So papakita ko sa inyo ang outfit natin. Ito. Diba? Perfect. Covered. Natin bumalik kung saan tayo nang galing. Naliligaw na tayo ng floor elevator. So, from the lower ground, hinahanap ko din naman pa siya pakalawa.
Georgie is
Alright, thank you very much. Talaga sa labas. Alright, so that's a wrap for today. So nakauwi na ako ng bahay. Goodbye everyone.
which they were sitting beside her. So the skirt, the technique used here is called Venetian blinds. Like yung cortina, because the it looks like blinds. The skirt on top is to mimic the tapis, again, which is part of the terno. So this is 3 layers. This is tulle and this is piña. And the small pearls embroidered are meant to represent rice glistening in the sun when you leave them out to dry.
Also joining us via Zoom, the Chief Brand Officer of Revolve and Forward, Raisa Gerona, and global Filipino social media star, Remy Ron.
You're a true-blooded content creator, then this is something that excites you, then you come up with great content, with a great storyline that for some reason just truly works when it comes to the algorithm. So that's the difference I feel. Here I feel like we're a bit more safe. We're a bit more concerned about what other people think or what beauty should look like. There it's more be yourself and the magic definitely happens. So I feel like that's the difference and that's what I see.
I think that is such an important lesson, especially.
I never really expected our videos to get viral, but for me, social media has always been a platform to me that to share what I love doing and express myself. But yeah, and also the opportunities that come up from that is for me blessings and sort of like cherries on top. But ultimately, social media is where like I connect with people.
Special thanks to
ko muna yung bangs ko. Day 2 ng Vogue Threads Manila dito sa Space 1 Ayala, Makati. Hello everyone! Ayan, so itong outfit natin for the day sa day 2. Ayan, actually ito ay bigay ng friend ko. Ayan, actually parang hindi ko mga parang hindi binigay, hiningi ko. And hindi ko sinuot ng maayos yung tie, so ginanyan ko lang siya, parang ni-ribbon ko lang siya. And patazel yung ating black leather bag. Hello guys, so bababa muna tayo kasi 60 lang yung yung participants na kailangan doon sa loob ng Vogue. Ayan, so goodbye everyone.
Ito na nga tayo.
Ano yun?
Basta medyo palaway ka. Basta like kinito sa skin ko.
Guys, i-share ko yan. At kung bago lang tayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, please do like, share, and ring the notification bell button para lagi kayong updated sa lahat ng aking mga kaganapan. Ciao!